Hello everybody. Thank you for tuning in to my channel. I really appreciate it. I am making a hair unit for a client from a 13 by 6 front lace wig with wefts in the back. Many times when customers don't have the time to wait for a factory unit to be custom made for them, I'll make it here in my wig salon, and that's exactly what I'm going to do today. This particular customer lives a long way from me, so she couldn't come into the salon for a personal fitting. So she placed her order completely remotely, and this is something that you can do too. First, we had a duo video consultation where I got to meet her and she got to meet me face to face. I got to see her and learn about her hair loss and was personally able to help her with her ordering. She loved our private and confidential session because she's very shy and she's self-conscious about her condition. I used to be the same way too until I started my channel on YouTube. Now my hair loss has empowered me because I've been able to help so many women by showing them how my wigs and my hair units can literally change their lives and make them feel great and look great. So if you live far away and want the same personal touch that I have given this client, find my contact information in the description and give me a call. I would love to talk with you and to schedule a video consultation for you where we can get your hair unit started as soon as possible. Now on with making this unit so I can ship it out to her tomorrow. I can make the same kind of hair unit for you even though you live miles away from me. So if you're someone who is experiencing hair loss like myself and hundreds of thousands of other women, just give me a call and we will talk about your hair loss needs. We can even schedule a video chat where I can actually see you and you can see me even though we live miles apart. We'll work it out. We'll get a hair unit made for you that is going to be perfect for you. Thank you so much everybody for joining me. I hope that you are liking this new channel. I am coming back very soon in Miss Lola's Soul Food Kitchen, making one of my great southern dishes that I hope you will enjoy. Please like, subscribe, tell others, and most of all, come back again to see what I'm doing here at Miss Lola's Hair and More. Take care, everybody. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.